Hey, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to Car Expert, your go-to destination for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into the Milligram Hector Plus, a premium 6 or 7-seater SUV that's all about space, comfort, and cutting-edge features. With its bold design, advanced technology, and powerful performance, the Hector Plus is a strong contender in India's SUV market. Let's explore everything the 2025 Milligrams Hector Plus has to offer and see if it's the right fit for your family. Body. Exterior design. The Milligram Hector Plus builds on the bold styling of the Hector with subtle enhancements for a more premium appeal. The front grille features a bold chrome-studded design, flanked by sleek LED DRLs and sharp LED projector headlamps, giving it a futuristic look. The side profile highlights its large dimensions, stylish 18-inch alloy wheels, and body-colored ORVMs with integrated turn indicators. The rear boasts LED tail lamps, a sculpted tailgate, and a silver skid plate, adding to its rugged SUV appeal. With its dual-tone color options and panoramic sunroof, the Hector Plus has a commanding road presence that's hard to ignore. With its refined aesthetics and premium design, the Milligram Hector Plus stands out in the crowd, safety, and build quality. Safety is a top priority for the Milligram Hector Plus, with advanced features to protect every passenger. Standard safety features include 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, escape, and hill hold control. The Advanced Driver Assistance System, ADAS, in higher trims includes features like adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring. The high-strength steel body structure ensures durability and crash protection, meeting global safety standards. With its comprehensive safety features, the Milligram Hector Plus is a secure and reliable choice for families. Outro. So, what do you think of the 2025 Milligrams Hector Plus? With its spacious interiors, advanced features, powerful performance, and robust safety, it's a perfect SUV for Indian families. Whether you're commuting in the city or planning long road trips, the Hector Plus delivers on every front. Let us know in the comments if the Milligram Hector Plus is the SUV for you. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Car Expert, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.